Hi gorgeous, how are you? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to recreate the latest viral trend on TikTok, and this one is the pumpkin spice makeup look. I have used only affordable makeup products and I absolutely love it. I think it is the ultimate makeup look for fall. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week. Headband on. I'm gonna start off with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer by Maybelline. And this is gonna give a matte finish to our face makeup look. For this pumpkin spice inspired makeup, you can also do a glowy finish, but matte makeup products are coming back and they were very trending 7 years ago. This Maybelline primer has a silicone formula. It is very spreadable, it gives a soft matte finish, and also it is lightweight on the skin, so it's not giving the tightening feeling. For foundation, I'm gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and I have the shade Warm Vanilla. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations, and I recently bought again this new shade. Oh, it's very yellowy. It is so difficult to find my shade lately. This foundation gives full coverage. You can always mix it with your primer if you don't want to cover everything on the face. And I also have on my nails a pumpkin spice inspired nail color story, and my nails are looking beaten up because I have these nail polishes for about 2 weeks, actually exactly 2 weeks. And I wanted to film this pumpkin spice makeup look a little bit earlier, but I got sick and for a week I couldn't do anything. And after that I started filming other videos, and now I am with my pumpkin spice nails that look like this. I'm gonna have all the colors that I have used in the description box if you also like them. So now I'm adding a little bit more product on my cheeks because I have more redness. On the eyes I'm gonna use this concealer by Wet n Wild. It is the Mega Last Incognito All Day Full Coverage Concealer. I have the shade Light Beige. This is a very nice concealer, also affordable if you're trying to find something cheaper in the market now. And I like recreating the trending makeup looks on TikTok with affordable products because I know that you can find a lot of makeup looks that they're using super expensive makeup products. And I want to show you a way how to create those trends with affordable products. We don't need to use all the time super expensive ones. I like splurging, but on products that I know they are very good. And this concealer gives full coverage and I can cover everything on my eyes. To set the face products, I'm gonna use the Invisible Matte Loose Powder by Catrice Cosmetics. This is one of the latest powders that they have released, and also one of my new favorite drugstore powders. This powder gives a soft matte finish. It's not a drying product. Also, I like that it gives a blurring effect, especially on camera. Oops. Oh no. Oops, I applied so much powder. I'm dying here. It's hard to see how much product I have with this face powder brush. Okay, I think I applied too much powder. I'm taking another brush so I can remove a little bit what I have applied. And I'm also going to set the concealer, but first, very lightly, I'm blending the crease lines. And it is very natural if you have crease lines. Our skin is folding. This powder looks so nice on the eyes. Also blend the crease lines on the eyelid, and now I'm setting again. And I'm also looking downwards in my mirror so the skin here can be a little bit stretched and I can set better the fine lines. And try to find a concealer that is not fast drying so you can easily blend it on the eyes. Now I'm taking the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade Medium Cool 200. And with this one, I'm going to define my cheekbones and basically my bone structure. So my forehead as well, the jawline. This makeup look is inspired by pumpkins, and the focal point is basically the pumpkin color not the bronzing or the highlighting. Some of you told me on Instagram that you wanted to see a fall inspired makeup look. I think this is a very fall inspired look. And also it's not the typical smoky eye look, so you can see another version with fall colors. Now with a smaller brush, I'm taking the same bronzer and I'm defining the sides of the nose. I'm also blending the sides so you don't see any harsh lines. And you can also do that with a bigger, fluffier brush if you want to save time. And now is the time for the fun part. This one here is the NYX Barbie the Movie Face Palette. Cheek palette, not face palette. And I'm gonna be using this beautiful blush here. We want a burnt orange blush, and this shade is perfect for the makeup look. So with the same brush, I'm going to apply this all over the cheeks. And I have tried all of the Barbie NYX products in another video. I'm going to have a link in the description box. You can still buy the products if you like them. I'm not able to transfer the color with this brush, so I'm taking another one. And, okay. Much better. I think they had an incredible marketing strategy for the Barbie movie. I also watched the Barbie movie. This is not giving me a very pumpkin effect. I'm going to bring one more blush, and I brought here the Kiko Milano Smart Color Blush in the shade 606. We don't really have a shade. And I'm going to take also this blush and apply on top of the NYX one. Now it is more noticeable. This is basically a muted light brown orangey shade. It is more natural than orange. The blush goes with my t-shirt. I chose it for the pumpkin makeup look. And to highlight my face, I'm gonna use the Essence Gimme Glow Luminous Highlighter in the shade 10 Glowy Champagne. You can also use a golden shade if you have a deeper complexion, but this one looks nice on me, and it can go also with the blush. And I'm adding this right on top of the cheekbone, and of course on the tip of the nose to make it pointed up, and also a little bit on the bridge. I have started doing this after I did the video that I recreated Dua Lipa's makeup look. I'm going to have a link in the description box with a face brush that I have applied the bronzer and the blush. Now I'm blending all of the products together on the cheekbone with circular motions and on the nose with tapping, basically. Now it's time for the brows. They are not very important for this makeup look. You basically need to define them in the way that you like them, and they can look natural on you. I'm going to use the Catrice brow powder set in the shade 20. This is a very affordable product and also super pigmented. You don't need a lot. I have lost lately a lot of brow hair from the upper part of my brows. I'm not sure if I have pressed more when I was removing my makeup. Brow problems. This product can easily be compared with high-end products. And to set the brow hair in place, I'm gonna be using the Catrice Clear and Fix Transparent Brow Gel Mascara. I'm brushing all of the brow hair upwards so I can give a fuller look, also a fluffier. For the eyes, I'm gonna be using the Essence Benvenuti Aroma Eyeshadow Palette, and this one has the perfect fall-inspired eyeshadows. We have golden, orangey tones, also this super nice chocolatey brown eyeshadow. And the first eyeshadow that I'm gonna be using is this light brown. And with this one, I'm going in the crease area. I basically need some definition here because I have hooded eyes. Especially this eye here is more hooded. And this can push back the crease. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil in the shade 911 Smooth Walnut. And basically this one is a brown eye pencil. It is super creamy, and I'm applying this on the back of my hand, and with an eyeliner brush I'm taking the product and I'm loading up the bristles. Now I'm going on the center of my eyelid and I apply this very close to my lashes. Then I apply just a little bit in the outer lower eye and I bring it outwards. I'm taking some more product and I'm creating the wing here. You can make it as long as you want, as thin as you want. I'm going again in the inner part and I'm just blending the eye pencil inside the lashes so you don't see a harsh line starting on the center. I need some more eye pencil and now I'm going with the product directly because I have created the line and the lower eye is basically the guideline of the wing. Now I'm taking the same brush again. Try to find a thin one, especially if you have smaller eyes. Now I'm applying some more on the back of my hand because the previous product has dried and I'm taking it with the same brush. Again, look straight into your mirror to find the center and try to create a very thin line. Stop exactly on the outer corner and now I'm going on the outer part of the lower lash line and I'm bringing the line outwards. You don't need a lot of product for this, so if you don't see a very thick line, that's okay. Now I'm filling in this area to create the wing. I need to sharpen my brow pencil. Now I'm applying some more product with the eye pencil and with my brush I'm blending outwards to create the wing here. For this part you can also use a creamy eyeshadow that doesn't dry fast. This is the key point. Now I'm taking a smaller round brush. This one is the Luxie 141 and the previous brush is an angled brush by Essence. Actually an eyeliner brush. Not just an angled brush. And with this one here, I'm going to blend the line. I know it sounds crazy because we did so much work to create this winged eyeliner, but the whole point of this makeup look is smoky winged eyeliner, and the brown eye pencil is basically the base for all of the eyeshadows. With the same brush, I'm taking this orange eyeshadow and I'm going to blend this on top of the brown eye pencil. You don't need to be very precise. We're going to create the line again with eyeshadow, so don't worry, we're not losing the winged effect. And I'm also doing that on the wing. I'm blending towards the lashes here. Now I'm pressing the brush right on top of the previous application so I can make the color more vibrant, and you can make it as intense as you want. With a clean eyeshadow brush I'm blending the edges of my line towards the eyelid. Very lightly, I don't want to blend it a lot. And basically we want the color to be more intense closer to the lashes. That's why I'm blending now. It's coming together. And now I'm gonna take this dark brown eyeshadow with another angle brush and I'm going very close to the lashes. And basically on the line that we have created in the beginning. Ooh, it looks good. I'm also going to apply some very close to the lashes. Basically, I am tight lining so I can have some definition on the inner part of the eye as well. And with the smaller angle brush that I have used in the beginning, I'm blending a little bit so I can create a thinner line. And it doesn't work so well, so I'm taking a Q-tip. Q-tips can help for any makeup look. Love it! And let's do the same on this side. Try to stay very close to the lashes. I'm switching to the smaller brush to blend the eyeshadow in the wing. And I'm also taking the Q-tip to clean and make the line crispier. Now I'm taking the same brown eye pencil and I'm going to apply this in the waterline. With a small round brush, I'm blending some of the brow pencil inside the lashes. And this is a little bit uncomfortable, so you can stretch the skin and blend it out. Now I'm taking the same orangey eyeshadow and I'm going to blend this all over the lower eye, in the inner part, also in the outer, and try to blend the product inside the lashes so we don't have nude skin peeking through. After that, I'm picking up this beige eyeshadow, and with this one I'm going over the edges of the orange shade so I can make them softer. I'm taking the brown eye pencil again, and I'm going to add it in the waterline. In the previous step, we have blended the product in the lashes, so I want to make the waterline more intense. And usually with eye pencils, I'm not applying a lot of product in the inner corner and outer corner, so I don't have that goopy mess with the pencils because my eyes can get watery very easily. The next step is to highlight the inner corner, and I'm gonna take this light champagne eyeshadow. You can also use the highlighter that you applied on the cheekbones, and this eye look can look very nice with golden shades as well in the inner corner. And I'm trying to keep this the tear duct. I want to keep the rest of the eye completely matte because this is the theme of the pumpkin spice makeup. Matte face, matte eyes. And when you highlight fewer areas of your face, they can also be more noticeable. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline the Falsies Black Drama Volume Express Mascara. This is an oldie and a goodie. Oldie goodie. I'm going to apply this on the lower lashes. This is the mascara that I was using on my brides back when I was doing bridal makeup looks and I was working as a makeup artist. And I really like this mascara because it is smudge proof. It has microfibers, so even if someone has very thin and very sparse eyelashes, they can still use this mascara and give amazing volume. And this mascara is bulletproof. I have used it on a bride in Cyprus and we had 40 degrees and a lot of humidity. The mascara didn't smudge, didn't flake. Her whole makeup look was looking great. So this was my must-have in my professional makeup kit. I'm loving the eyes. I think they are exactly for this pumpkin spice inspired makeup look. And let's go to the lips now that are 90s inspired. First, I'm going to remove what I have. It is the Vive Glossy Lip Oil in the shade Lip Dew. And I'm taking the sponge that I have applied the foundation and I'm covering the outline of the lips. Next, I'm taking this lip liner by NYX Cosmetics. It is the Line Loud Lip Pencil in the shade Total Baller. And with this one, I'm going to outline the lips. And then with a Q-tip, I'm going to blend the line to make it softer, especially on the inner part of the lips. You can also use a brush. My brush is not clean. Actually, I have a box full with dirty brushes. This last week, I'm washing only 12 brushes. This is what I need for a makeup look. And I'm not washing the rest of the brushes. You might be thinking, where is the pumpkin product? So I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade 40 Laugh Louder. And I'm going to apply this all over the lips. And this is a beautiful burnt orange shade. On top of this, I'm going to apply this e.l.f. Glossy Lip Stain in the shade Coral Cutie. And with this one, we're gonna give the pumpkin effect and also a glossy finish. Now we can see that I need some more blush. And I'm taking again this NYX blush and I'm going to add some more. I'm also taking the Kiko Milano blush. These two colors create the perfect shade for me. I'm adding a tiny bit more of the lip pencil because it's not so noticeable. Yeah, I prefer it this way because I was very light-handed in the beginning. My favorite part of this makeup look is definitely the eyes because I don't usually do this technique on me and I think it can look very nice on a lot of different eye shapes. I have also recreated the strawberry makeup look with affordable products. You can watch the video here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!